Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're in the workshop and we are going to be, so basically we've got this lovely computer here. It's a decent PC, office PC, whatever, not good enough for gaming at all. But we've got this wall in the workshop, as you can see, so we're going to put in everything from this computer onto that panel of wood and then up on the wall. It's going to take a lot of preparation, a lot of work, a few hours, but it should be a good video. So let's get into it. Right guys, let's get into it. Right guys, so we've got it all out and we are going to be doing a little bit of marking now to try and see where everything is going to go. It's going to be a bit difficult. It's going to be a bit messy, isn't it, Grandad, really?
Yeah, but we'll do it.
We will do it though. Oh no.
There's the sanding block.
So guys, as you can see, we've got these little plastic tubes, probably used for fishing before this, and we are going to be using them to mount the motherboard on the piece of plywood. So yeah, our technique is that we're going to be using a Stanley blade cut into them, and we're going to use them just so the heat can kind of dissipate out of the area and not set the wood on fire, because that would not be very good. We are an expert with Stanley knives. Does woodwork run through the family, Grandad?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. In our veins, according to Grandad. Right, so is that enough?
That's enough. So what we've got to do now is find 6 little screws that will go through them holes.
Yeah.
Through the plastic and into the wood. Yeah, the pin's got bent. Stand the motherboard on these little plastic cuts, which is possibly going to be a bit awkward, but get the process on.
Use the standard lights as well. Right. Expert. Guys, we're back. It's screwed in. We've got a bit of RAM. We've got 16 gigs, I believe, or 8 gigs or something like that. And we've got a nice Wi-Fi card that we're going to add in as well. As you can see. So I'll add that in. There's the Wi-Fi card. As you can see, Grandad's just done a little groove there to get obviously the GPU and the Wi-Fi card in. So yeah, we'll see you when it's all in, and then we'll start getting the power supply and hard drive in. Hello everybody! Oh, it looks better now, we've got some lights.
So we've screwed the motherboard on.
Yeah.
We put the graphics card in, the RAM, processor, etc. And now we've just got to connect up the power supply and see if this thing will boot up.
And then we have to get it on the wall somehow, don't we?
Yeah. So let's get the HDMI.
We need to get the power supply.
Yeah, let's get this over.
Right.
That wasn't improper.
Why have we got them output then? Oh wait, we have. Okay, what is the problem?
The steam has been cleared. If you want to unset it.
It's all turned on. Even the GPU? No?
GPU is on.
Our GPU is on now. It's on now. Have we got postage? Yes, we have Pro Series. Wow, this is going to be amazing. On the wall. Look at that, guys. That is a PC. And it's about to go up on that wall, isn't it, Grandad? So let me get the tripod ready. Let's get to it. Well, guys, it's we've nearly done it. Well, let's just get it up on the wall. Welcome to our new workshop PC. Look at that! The new workshop PC is up and it's active. Wow, we've done it, Grandad. High five. We've done it, guys. Well,
Your GPU support bracket works like that.
yeah, guys. The only thing we have to do now is buy a little keycap switch on Amazon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which we'll actually have a look at now and we'll show you. So the total cost of this build, motherboard, how much would that cost?
Well, the total cost is pretty much zero.
No, but somebody wanted to build it at their house right now. All the parts off eBay second-hand. How much would it be?
I said about 60 quid.
60 quid.
Yeah.
And then, what's that piece of wood? £5.
Maybe.
And then the screws are like 20 pence, aren't they? So about £66 total for this beauty. Could you just move up a bit, guys? So we can put the camera there. So. Well, thank you for watching this video, guys. It was certainly one of my favourite videos I've ever done. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next one.